Welcome to another, hopefully exciting, jewelry jar reveal video. I got this jar at a local thrift store, $24.99. Let me know if you think it was worth it.
And I'm here too.
Any Geminis out there? It's a Gemini necklace. A little twisted up here. Oh, nice. Right on the top, we have a men's Timex watch. Good find. Here's an express necklace. Some bracelets on top. Looks like maybe a copper cuff bracelet. Or some earrings caught up in it. Oh, look at this. It's a magnetic earring. It's neat. I don't know if this is earrings or it's like a little tassel-y piece. Another one fell on the floor. Oh, nice bangle with some rhinestones. Seems to be an older piece. I have a another bangle bracelet. Let's see, we have a skull. That might be Harley Davidson.
That is a Harley Davidson. That's cool.
It's like almost like a Alex and Ani style bracelet. It doesn't say Harley on it, so it kind of has like the symbol, but it doesn't say it, so
definitely Harley pendants.
Yeah, themed.
Cool.
Oh, this is a shoe clip.
That's adorable.
Oh, that's nice. I think the other one's in the jar too. I can kind of see in there. This looks like a long necklace. No signatures. We got some. This would be great for like Christmas time.
Yeah, I was just thinking that myself. Look nice on a red wool dress type thing.
Yeah, it would. Here's the other shoe clip. Got a hoop. One hoop.
You know,
this is really pretty. I kind of saw this through the glass here.
Oh, that's nice.
Very lovely blue rhinestone necklace.
What would you call those bigger stones?
These are like moon glow glass. I think that's either glass or plastic.
Super cute.
Very nice. Has a hook clasp.
Absolutely.
So far, that's my favorite.
Yeah, you should set that one right off to the side.
Yeah, put that one aside.
Make a pile of your favorites. That's the problem with these jars. You gotta sometimes dig it out through the small. It's like, how did they even
the small opening? All right, let's take a look at what we got. This is pretty. Ooh, wow, very bright. Stretchy bracelet. Maybe somebody can restring it. It's a little loose. But wow, that is really pretty. Nice color. We have another stretchy one. Here's a pair of earrings. Just need to be cleaned up a little bit. Ooh, this is nice.
That one's different.
Ooh, very nice.
That's a fascinating piece.
Love that one.
That's another, you should set that aside.
It says like 10 on there or something. It looks like a maker's mark. That is so cool. Mixed metals.
I could see you wearing that.
I like that one. Okay, what do we have here? Oh. We have a necklace. Needs to be cleaned up a little bit. We have like a Y-shaped necklace here. That's nice.
That's pretty too. So far,
we have
nice
some.
pieces.
Now this one looks old. Looks like it has some pearls, freshwater pearls.
It's got that.
Some of these have these little tags on them.
That funky clasp on there.
This is neat.
It
has like an older style clasp.
No stamp?
No stamps on that. Sometimes these are stamped, so you always have to check them.
Sometimes they're gold.
But still really nice necklace. Here's a nice earring. Ooh. Like some marcasites or black rhinestones on there. That's a nice one. Looking for any like stamps or markings. Hopefully we have the match. Oh, this is nice. Oh, it looks like a piece broke off. Maybe we could fix it. Got another earring here, loose earring. Hopefully we have the match. Got channel set ring. Gold toned, no markings. Ooh, this is a nice earring. It's glass. Glass earring, okay. It's another ring. Needs a little shining. There is like a small mark inside. I'll have to take the loop and take a look. Let's see what that says. Oh, that's a different shape earring. We have a brooch. Oh, this is nice for the fall. Looks like some wooden beads on there. It's a nice one. We have this hoop, gold tone hoop. Oh boy, I think that says something on it. Maybe it has a person's name. It's pretty heavy, actually.
Oh wow.
It's like heavy.
That's unique.
Oh, a little elephant.
I think this is the ring from Lord of the Rings.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, this says Napier. Napier elephant.
Did I disappear?
Okay, here we're gonna kind of make a little pathway.
Yeah. This looks
like a Lord of the Rings type of ring. Oh, that would make sense.
It looks elvish.
Oh, there's a matching earring to that other one.
Nerd or anything.
So now we have somewhere the. Oh, here we go. Now we have the matching. Ooh, that's a really nice. Those are really nice. I like those. Got the matching earrings there. Wow. That's like punk rock style, I would say.
Steampunk.
That's cool. I like that. It's neat.
It's cool.
This is like this little curly Q thing. I think is supposed to be for hair. Here is this looks like maybe Brighton, but I can't really tell. It reminds me of Brighton. Ooh, that's nice. Huh. So it's a bracelet that hooks this way. It has this little dangly piece. Oh, this might be like support the blue, or I don't know. Might be it has the blue line there.
It's neat.
Ooh, hearts. Hearts. We have a cuff bracelet. Oh, a nice chain. This is good. It's always nice to have these, and you can put a pendant on there. Sparkly cocktail style ring. Stretch ring. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Still lots more to come here.
Neat jars.
Ooh, wow, this is nice. That's really pretty. All right, I'm just gonna empty a couple more out here, and then I'll show you what we got. Look at that shell dangling there.
Oh,
okay, so this pin is signed something too. Wow, that's really nice. It signed something right there.
I'll look at it.
Can you see? Can you see what that says?
Oops.
Oh no, another one of those hair curly cues. Wow, that's different. It's an earring.
R.A.
R.A. I've never heard of that. Anybody ever hear of the brand R.A. on a vintage brooch? It's really nice. I like that one. This is, I like this braided kind of style. This is metal, braided. Just needs a little shining up. All right. Oh, this is cool. Oh, look how it goes on like that. Clamper style. We have, looks like copper earring. Copper. It's neat. Have another costume ring. We have an Alex and Ani. Oh, it's a motorcycle.
Okay, so the Harley-based looking things would make sense now.
I got a little motorcycle. That's neat.
Probably all came from the same person.
Could have. Here's another Alex and Ani. This one has a fish. So like a homemade earring. Okay, another one of these little things here. All right, this is a bangle. All right, let's see what else we have here.
Oh, did you get that coin yet?
No, it probably went to the bottom.
Yeah, probably.
Harry saw a coin through the glass.
I can't figure it out. I've been jonesing over this for days.
Oh, I love this.
Oh.
Glass earrings, little hearts. Love those. Here's another earring. Okay, whoop. Got an earring hooked there. Got a plastic necklace. Oh, we got another one of this style bracelet here. It says support law enforcement.
So the other one was,
so the other one was, yeah. I don't know if that's Brighton. It kind of looks like it, but it doesn't have a B, so could be. Ooh, shell. Really nice shell necklace.
Oh, wow. That's
for when you go on vacation and you want to display your shell necklace there. That's really nice. Nice and shiny. We got a fancy bobby pin. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. I like whatever that is that's yellow. It's a nice yellow. It's at the bottom now.
Of course.
Red stretchy bracelet. A silver tone stretchy bracelet.
I like those metal ones like that.
Yeah. We have a bracelet here.
That clearly says LV on it.
We have a Snoopy watch, Armatron. That's a good one. Genuine leather band.
I'm reaching up.
Oh, look at the little hands. The hand on the clock is Snoopy's hand.
That's cool.
Watches are good sellers on eBay for sure. Especially like collectible ones like that. This is a really heavy bracelet.
That looks heavy.
Don't know what that's made out of, but it's really heavy. Oh, we got the match for the glass earrings.
Those are nice.
Really sparkly inside there. A couple more. I see another like Alex and Ani bracelet. Ooh, this is different. This is a bracelet.
Pretty.
Got some sparklies. Gold tone metal. That's really fancy.
You should keep that one for yourself.
Very sparkly.
That one could be the whole jar.
Okay, so I see what happened here. One of these broke. Might be able to just take this part off and make it match. Still really nice. Might be able to fix it. Hopefully. Got a really long gold tone necklace. Just needs to be cleaned a little bit. It says Korea. Here is another gold tone necklace.
That was neat.
Yeah.
Lays flat on you.
Yep. So far, like, not much stuff that's broken.
No.
Oh, here's the coin that you wanted.
Let me see that.
It's plastic.
Oh, it's plastic.
So it's a 250th commemorative, kind of like a souvenir coin.
Wait,
neat collectible item.
But it's plastic.
He thought it was like maybe silver. It's hard to tell.
It was way too hard to tell.
It's like a commemorative thing. Ooh, I like these beads. These are nice.
Through a glass jar, it's a little difficult.
Oh, we have some lava rock earrings. First, it's twisted a little bit here.
Ooh.
It's like you could put like essential oils in there, but I've never seen earrings like that.
That's neat.
Yeah. There's a couple small little things here. Another costume ring. Oh, here's the other earring that we saw earlier. This is kind of an interesting necklace. It has these two rings here. Got to untangle a few things. Here's this bracelet. Could be silver. Might have to be tested.
May I?
It's not marked anything. Oh, here's the other earring like this. Almost looks like amethyst, but I'm not sure. It's very light, so may not be.
It is marked.
Oh, it is marked something?
It is.
This is really pretty. I like these beads. These might be glass. It's hard to tell. It needs to be restrung.
I'll show you where it's marked.
It's a little bracelet. That's pretty. Where?
Okay. So if you look, pardon my awful hands, but it's marked there.
What does it say?
925.
Oh, nice.
So a nice piece of sterling out of there.
This is a plastic bracelet. It has a toggle clasp. I like the colors on that. It's nice. Have another bracelet. We're getting another necklace. We're getting kind of to the bottom of everything here. Oh.
All in all, solid jar.
Yeah.
A lot of beautiful pieces.
This is nice, but just one of the... Okay, there it goes. One of these has to be twisted the right way. That's pretty. And there's a couple random earrings that were at the bottom. I don't know what this is here. A ring. Maybe it's a broken piece of something.
Yeah, if we figure it out, we'll let you know.
Not sure what that is. A couple little... Ooh, those are nice little purple studs. Very nice. And I think that's about it. Oh, I don't think we showed this one. This one was in there too.
Kind of broken though.
Oh, that one's broken?
Yeah.
Oh, that's too bad.
Needs a little bit of love.
Broken piece there. All in all, not too bad.
Good jar.
Thanks for checking out this video. Be sure to check out my other videos.
Nice piece of sterling.
And we will catch you next time.
Good stuff.